We are searching for how to buy shares of FireFly Metals Ltd, an Australian minerals exploration company focused on discovering and developing base and precious metal deposits. FireFly Metals trades on CBOE AUS under the ticker FFM.ASX. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you will need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FFM.ASX to find the listing. Select the result that clearly shows FireFly Metals on CBOE AUS to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you are on the right listing. Double-check the exchange and the ticker FFM.ASX before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Then review order settings and estimated cost before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the trade. After your order fills, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A helpful link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform.